Halo semuanya, perkenalkan nama saya Herlambang Sumaputra dari kelas Manajemen 22A dengan NPM 224111015. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi Understanding Capital Market. Is a financial market long-term fund, long and is concrete market. Long-term fund are falling fund. The term is more than 1 year. The capital market, in the narrow sense, is a place, in the sense of an organized physical place where securities are traded, called stock exchange. The definition of a stock exchange is a organized system which bring together sellers and buyers of securities directly or indirectly. The definition of securities is any securities issued by the company. For example, debt acknowledgement letters, commercial security, shared bonds, proof of debt, proof of right, and warrant. The definition of capital market according to the Capital Market Dictionary, and capital is a concrete market, or an abstract that brings together parties who offer and recruit term funding. Long, namely a period of 1 year and above. Generally the bidders are insurance companies, pension fund, saving banks will thus are included. Interested parties are company, government, and the general public. The capital market is different from the money market. Money market are related with short-term financial instrument, maturity of less than 1 year, and is an aftermarket. Money market instrument usually consists of various types. Short-term security, such as certificate of deposit, commercial paper, certificate Bank Indonesia (SBI), and money market securities (SPBU). A volume development and regulating the capital market so that securities can be obtained, offered, and traded in an orderly and efficient and protective manner, interest of investor in the general public. Carry out guidance and supervision of the following institutions: stock exchange, clearing, settlement, and depository institution, mutual fund, securities company, and individual capital market supporting institution, namely treasury, depositors, borrowers, security administrasi, trust or guarantor, capital market supporting profession. Provide opinion to the Minister of Finance regarding the capital market. BPPAM, as a capital market supervisory institution, is obligated to establish procedures for ensuring the implementation of securities is an orderly and fair manner in order to protect investors and the public in the form of 1. Openness of information about securities, transaction of the stock exchange by all securities company and all parties. This provision must contain recruitment open to the common of BPM and the public regarding all transaction securities by all major shareholder and insider and parties associated with it. Number 2. Keeping records and reports provided by parties who have obtained a business license, individual license, approval, securities returning in the event that there is an extra amount of demand for an item public offering. This provision does not require publication. Certificate in quantities less than the standard quantities applicable in securities trading on a stock exchange. 2. Primary market supporting institution. Securities underwriter. The duties of a securities underwriter include the following. Number 1. Providing advice regarding the type of securities that shall be issued, price, reasonable, term and term securities. Number 2. In submitting a securities emission registration statement, assist complete administrative test related to filing securities emission registration statement document preparation of prospectus, designing securities, statement and accompanying issues during the evaluation process. 3. Regulate the implementation of emission. B. Public accountant. The duties of a public accountant include: number 1. Conduct examination of the company financial reports and provide his opinion. Checking the bookkeeping to see whether it complies with accounting principles generally applicable and BPM provision. Number 3. Provide instruction for implementing good bookkeeping methods if required. The task of a legal consultant is to research the legal aspect of the issue and provide opinion from a legal perspective regarding the condition and validity of the business issue, which include articles of association, business license, proof of ownership of asset issue, enactment carried out of by the issuer with the third parties, as well as lawsuits in civil and criminal cases. D. Notary public. The notary is tasked with preparing the minutes of the GMAs, drafting the deed of amendment, article of association, and preparing the text of agreement for the issuance of security text in the public offering process can be grouped into 4 steps following: investment strategy in capital market. Investors should be aware that investing in the capital market on the side will. The good thing is to always quote in the principle keep your alpha high and your beta. This principle means that investor will always consider what the level is rise and benefit to be gained. To advances or disadvantages are hook influenced by investor ability to analyze various types of shares. Then goes several shares according to the capabilities of the fund. The share selected and pursued is a portfolio. 3. Playing in the capital market is not provide a guarantee to obtain capital gains, namely the difference in excess of the purchase price, shares and selling price. Thus, playing on the stock exchange will be very possible. Investor also experience capital loss. Seperti